Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing with a series that I was trying out this week called Styling Sessions, where I reveal a new piece of luxury ready-to-wear and then style it in 3 different ways and kind of talk through my thinking there and the different ways that I would wear it. And hopefully this is like a helpful video beyond just a basic unboxing reveal video. So we'll start with the garment that I have today. This is from the Chanel Métier d'Art collection from Hangzhou. This is the 25A runway, and this is a, whoops, it's backwards, denim, like brown denim skirt with a zipper in the front and floral pattern. I only ordered the skirt. I'm low-key having regrets for not purchasing the matching jacket, but here we are, it's fine. The skirt is actually super cute. It has like this floral pattern with little CCs all in it. Actually, so I'm wearing these Dakar jeans from, was it 23A? But they're from the Dakar runway, Chanel Dakar, which have a different sort of flower. Well, I guess they're both camellias, but in the Dakar runway, they also have like the Dakar national flower. That's why I say that. And CCs and the quilted pattern. And then this is more, this also might be a different pattern. I don't think these are camellias. I think these are like a Hangzhou special flower with like very, very subtle CCs in there, but it's almost, it's a very artistic CC, and it has a double zipper, gold zipper in the front and pockets. And I thought this was a really cute detail. Little Leo lion grommets on the pockets. It's distressed. It's kind of like this brown, gray, neutral color. I took this in a size 48 and it was 2,600. So there's the information for those who are interested. And I am going to now style it for you in 3 different ways that I would wear the skirt. Okay, so this first option is almost like too obvious, right? But it is also my litmus test for, will I wear something? If I can wear something with just a t-shirt, or like I also like to say, jeans and a t-shirt, if it can serve as the jeans portion of jeans and a t-shirt outfit, I will wear it. If I can't wear it with a t-shirt, I mean, unless it's like a dress or something, I just probably won't get that much use out of it. So the first way I can see myself wearing this outfit, I could wear it right now in the summer like this, just with a pair of like Oran sandals. I grabbed my 2424 bag, which is like one of my favorite bags to use recently. It's so underrated. This would also look really cute actually with the Chanel 25 bag in a neutral color. I just like the way that this skirt, you know, it's brown-ish. It's like kind of brown gray with like a tone of black in it almost, but it's just like a really, really nice neutral. So it can pull, because it's pulling a little red brown, it looks good with the gold, but it could look good with other colors too, not just black. I think the beige would be pretty also. But yeah, I think this is just like a basic run around sort of throw and go. I could easily, you know, I have a very casual office. I could easily wear this to the office. It's a nice sort of demier length. The tag is scratching me in the back though, so maybe I'll just pull it out. I know it's not as cute with it out, but I should just take it off. Anyway, but this is the first sort of look. I think it's like really comfy. There's like pretty good sized pockets here. Not that I would want more in there, but you could, you know, sometimes I just need somewhere to throw my phone, something like that. But this is the first way that I would style it. I think either with sandals or flats, this would be really cute. I think also this look with like white Orans and maybe a different bag would be a really cute look too. So this is look number 1. It's super casual, super easy, just kind of like a throw and go kind of vibe. For the second look, I kind of took things in the opposite direction, seeing how much I could dress up this piece. So I went with black accessories. This top is from last season's Métier collection. It was one of the little commercial pieces, a little ruffle with buttons in the back. And then this little 31 clutch, which is suede, a fun play on texture, which I think was from 25p this year. And I also threw on a chain belt. I actually tried the skirt on with a Chanel chain belt in the store. Still debating it, though. The thing about it is it fit perfectly right now, but my body is like kind of in a transition period, so I wasn't sure about investing in it. And I have this chain belt from Streets Ahead, and this chain belt will literally fit somebody of any size because there's a little hook in this circle that hooks to like literally any part of the chain, so you can be like 3 centimeters around, and this belt would still, actually, you'd have to be at least, whatever this is, 15 inches around to wear this belt. But anyway, I digress. So thought I would see how I could dress this up. I think this would be cute with black flats or even heels. I think since I live in California where it's much more casual, this actually could take me a lot of places, like almost any fancy dinner, a lot of different events. It's like, it's denim, so it's not quite cocktail, but I feel like in California cocktails or like an outdoor cocktail situation, I could probably pull this off. And yeah, I think it's really cute. The gold hardware with like the aged gold, I think is a really fun pop. And it's also nice to see how it can be also a dressy piece and not just a very casual sort of denim skirt. I think the dark denim makes it, you know, gives you a lot more mileage for different ways to wear it. And I think because it's sort of like a unique pattern, a unique color, there's like a lot more. I really like the black with it. I think it's really nice. So this is look number 2. Okay, and for look number 3, I kind of leaned into the 90s sort of Ralph Lauren vibe with it, and then also did a sort of pop of pink. It is taking all of my self-control to not do a French tuck with this sweater, but I'm trying to channel, you know, Amsterdam, what is it, you know, kind of like cool European girl. Imagine this with clogs or like a low boot, kind of for fall. I feel like it would also be cute with a millennial tuck for, you know, like the millennial fall, think pumpkin spice latte. Actually, kind of, this skirt is kind of giving pumpkin spice latte vibes too. Sometimes I just can't help it. But I have this really oversized Abercrombie sweater, and I think it just kind of, I don't know, adds a different dimensionality to it. I think denim skirts in the fall is a really cool look, and this is just another way to kind of explore the different aspects of this. I also think this kind of warm toned pink, like the grays, the pinks, it's like very, I don't know, it's like a very cozy, very, I keep saying fall, but like autumnal sort of take on this sweater, which was looking so summery with a white t-shirt and brown bag. I think with the gray and the pink bag and maybe like a brown boot, or like I said, a clog would be really cute, or even like a loafer would be really cute too. I do think, you know, this is like 90s Nora Ephron. Oh, you can maybe even put a belt over the outside of the sweater too. That would be cute also. I'm getting all sorts of ideas, like a thick belt over the sweater I think would be really sweet. Definitely, yeah, more of that 80s in New York fall, You've Got Mail, Meg Ryan meeting Tom Hanks kind of outfit, right? Anyway, these are 3 different ways that I plan to wear this skirt in the future, or even really soon for the t-shirt one, and then on into fall. So I hope it inspired you a little bit and just gave you some insight into how I think about getting dressed in the morning. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.